guys, it's your girl Shrestha and welcome back to my channel, The Buried Butterfly, the perfect place for fashion enthusiasts. If you want to know more tips and tricks about fashion, minimal lifestyle, style, beauty, then please consider subscribing my channel and switch on the bell notifications so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Outfits and hairstyles dictate each other. I feel that hairstyles complete an outfit. I feel that you may not agree with me, but I feel that hairstyles complete an outfit, and so it's going to be a hairstyle video where I'm gonna be sharing some cute hairstyles that you can do whenever you are wearing an Indian wear and Western wear, whatever you wear basically. But the interesting part of the video that the hairstyles I'm gonna do with what? With claw clips. Yes, 90s inspired claw clips, the quintessential claw clips. Yes, but the kids like us, like 90s kids, are used to with accessories. Like I've seen my mom, my little sister wearing these clips. Even I use claw clips. I have different kind of claw clips, wave pattern claw clips, mini claw clips, etc, etc, etc. So it's not a new thing for me, new thing for us, but thanks to models like Gigi, Hadid, Kendall Jenner, Hailey Bieber, they kinda brought the spotlight on claw clips. That's why I'm making this video, just to share some versatile hairstyle ideas with claw clips that you can do with any kind of outfit. But don't worry, it won't be the boring ones we are tired of watching. So please stay tuned and I hope you will love it. So without wasting any more time, keep on watching the video. The first few hairstyles I'm gonna be doing with this mini claw clip because those hairstyles would look good with this claw clip, I thought. Right now I'm prepping my hair with the L'Oreal Paris Oil Serum. I have a review video with demo. You can check out, the link in the description box and the card is here. But this part is totally optional. If you don't want to do it, you don't. If you want to do it, you can. It totally depends on you. For the half up top knot, use your fingers to section out 1/4 of the front of your hair and make a Swiss roll like I'm doing. Actually, I don't remember the perfect word for this thing, but yeah, do this spring roll or yeah, like me, and then secure it with a mini claw clip you have. Lastly, comb the rest of your hair and you are done. For this messy half up, you don't need anything except few techniques. Again, use your fingers to section out 1/4 hair from the back part and then make a Swiss roll like I'm doing. Lastly, push it upwards and secure with a clip, with a mini claw clip. Technique will give your hair a little volume, a little texture and a whole lot of shake. Your hair will look messy yet stylish. Otherwise, it will look the boring one we regularly do. The third hairstyle of the video, this low bun, is also a 90s inspired look. They were fond of low buns and we all know how to do it. As you can see, I just wrapped all the hairs and clipped it and we are done. If you are a quirky hairstyle person with a bit style, then you will love this hairstyle, I am 100% sure. Here I am twisting my hair like a bun, but not the regular bun we do, and then clipping it to the part where I left the rest. Right now this looks kinda dull, so to highlight this hairstyle I am using this sexy hair clip, and yeah, I'm done with the hairstyle. Look at this looks so cute and sexy as the clip says. Fun part is you can do this hairstyle with a braided hair also, like I'm doing. It's very easy and simple, but you need to keep one thing in mind, that the bun you are doing, like the twisting you are doing here, don't make it round. For the last hairstyle, we are doing elegant updo, and elegant updo is very feminine and romantic in its way. For this hairstyle, we have to twist our hair like a ponytail and wrap it around, not in a round shape, just like a stick, and then clip it. But wait, we are not done yet. For my baby hairs, I'm using aloe vera gel so that my hair doesn't look messy. And you can use Vaseline if you want. I think this hairstyle looks very formal, so it's perfect for all day meetings and activities. That's that, we're done for today's video. I hope you love it, and please comment down below which hairstyle you like the most. I am 100% sure that from now you won't underestimate any claw clip. The thoughts about a claw clip of yours has totally changed. I understand. I know. Don't. It's okay. So also let me know if you want to know more, if you want to watch more such videos. So I would love to make those. And see you the next week, in the next video in next week. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy.